Just a quick video about the updated mealworm farm that I just put together. It's a 10-drawer system. In the top drawer, I have my beetles with some bedding and a sugar stick and some food. And here they can make beetle juice and lay their eggs. They will deposit their eggs at the bottom of the substrate. So when I'm ready to harvest the eggs and the babies that I have already hatched, I will sift out this pan, separate the beetles, put all the substrate back in this pan because a lot of the eggs will be stuck to the bottom of this pan, and move this pan all the way to the bottom. I just gave this pan a sift, and the top drawer was originally the purple drawer, which I've put all the way at the bottom now. This is where all my eggs and my tiny babies are. You probably won't see much unless I get the help of a flashlight. Then the drawer above the babies and the eggs is the drawer from July. This is where all my tiny mealworms are growing bigger right now. I've got probably a few hundred in here. They're going to continue to grow until they're big enough to feed my chickens. And here is a drawer at the next stage, even bigger mealworms. Almost ready to feed to my chickens, but not quite. They need to grow even more. And so the system goes, right? As I will sift this bin right here, this drawer, the yellow drawer, I will put all the substrate back in this drawer, minus the beetles. This drawer will go all the way at the bottom while these all move up one, with the exception of this drawer, where I keep some of the bigger mealworms and let them pupate. And then these become my new beetles that will then go in my top drawer and lay eggs. And this is a system in a nutshell. It's quite easy, self-contained, and self-sufficient. All you have to do is add some moisture. I do that by spritzing with the water bottle once in a while, or adding a slice of apple or a banana peel seems to be a favorite. Hope this helps.